Those on the wall upstairs, that'd be sick.
That is sick, dude. It's $120. Should go ahead and hang it up there.
Oh, look, that's one's wearing the ghillie suit. Look, right there. Just like from the YouTube.
Oh, that's sick, dude. Look. That is sick.
Huh?
Make fun of people. Oh, we gotta go there.
Who will?
Woody, was somebody a Frieza here?
I would laugh if there was a Frieza and it's the same kid as you.
Magic wands for sale.
You're always that happy.
That's cool, dude. Come over and stand on this side of it. This is incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, which is why she probably asked. She was very highly confident.
Check out his outfit. Check out his outfit. That is super cool. That was sick, wasn't it?
He's afraid Kruger's on vacation.
Yeah, Freddy Krueger.
Freddy Krueger was at
I think he needed
Freddy
a break
Krueger's
from
in
Elm Street.
Texas.
I think
In
he needed a break from
Texas.
Elm Street for a while.
He did, didn't he? What do you think, dude?
Look, they even got that picture right there.
Yep. Hey, let me get one with my GoPro in a minute. I got that ultra wide one. I'll take one when we get out to the middle area. I'll take a big ultra wide picture. Come here, not. Come here, not. Hold daddy hand. Hold daddy hand. Okay, that's fine. Just hold somebody's hand.
He's on vacation.
Don't split the poles. Don't split the poles.
He's on vacation. He's taking a break from Elm Street. Okay, perfect.
Jordan, let's see if to braid your back hair.
Who's better, Peter Pan or Captain Hook? Good job.
Hey, all right. Hey.
You need to make better life choices if you want to have fun.
It is very good to admit that you're intimidated that I'm right here in front.
That's right. Oh, look at those. Look at these. Look. God. Dad needs to buy a bow and arrow.
There's a horse behind you, ain't got no brakes.
Wow.
We're going to do this today. You want to do that today? We should.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Well, if you saw people that was dressed as a house of dragons.
There will be people probably. Why not?
That's quite Naruto.
Oh, look at the stats right here. You're like the good stuff.
Just went that way. That's the guy with the cane is Christopher Columbus. My goblet.
No.
No, we thought that. No, we saw that. Yeah, we went off.